Welcome to a live of Saturday chores, in which we do chores and fixes for our new boat, Ori. Today we had to start replacing the anodes because clearly they are not worth anything anymore due to the salt water. It actually took quite some effort to take them all down, so in the end we gave up a bit more early. But we got to, so that's good. We had some lunch, and then we also had time for a little bit of a ceremony to ask Ori to change her name. We got to the store to actually see what good anodes look like, and then we ended the day looking at more boats because we don't have enough boats with our two currently in the harbor. That was it. See you next week.